Hi, my name's Tiago, and today we're making a piñata. To make a piñata, these are the things that you need. A balloon, any size, a bowl, some scissors, well, they're for kids, and water, and flour, and newspaper, and colorful tissue paper. First, we mix the water with the flour. That looks cute, right? First, we add the flour. Now add the water to make the paste. Now it's the fun part. You can mix it with your hands. Feels like soft. Feels like cake. This is really fun. I should try this. A piñata is good for candy because you can put the candy inside. Now you need to cut strips of newspaper. Now we put the newspaper in the paste. Roll up the sleeves, roll up the sleeves. Everybody roll up the sleeves, sleeves, sleeves. Sometimes you have to make more paste for the balloon. Make sure to cover the balloon with the newspaper and the paste. Make sure to dry your balloon in your backyard, in your basement. You can hang it in a bathtub. Welcome back. After 24 hours, the balloon dried. Now that it's dried for 24 hours, you can pop the balloon inside. That was crazy. Now the balloon is inside it. It's inside this. Now we stuff the piñata with the candy. Orange, white and red. Those are going to be delicious, right, Mommy? They're sweet. These look like basketballs. I don't know why they made candy out of balls. Those candy makers are cooker in the pizza. Now that we put the candy inside the balloon, we can decorate. Are you guys ready to decorate? Let's do this. Great project to do for a birthday or a Cinco de Mayo, especially because of the coronavirus. Everybody stay safe. We're gonna cover the whole thing. The whole thing. Puppy, tap tap 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 puppy. We're done decorating the piñata. Do you know what comes next? Now we smash it! Adios, amigos. to subscribe.